Hello and welcome. I've got here in front of me a Hymer Exsis I integrated 6 meter long motorhome. It's a used model. This is going to cost 67,500 euros. It's got 9,200 kilometers on the clock, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. And I'll also be a link to below to a longer video. You've got sleeping for here for one person. You've got steps up to the bed, and in the steps there's also storage. Here we've got a very small wardrobe, and there you can see in this bed here there is room for a television, either that side, or I suppose you could have something that pulled out there and came down. Either way, I suppose. Storage there at the back. In here we will find a very large washroom. Bear in mind that this vehicle is only 6 meters long, 222 centimeters in width, so this is a very large washroom for a vehicle of that size. Over here we will find we've got a freezer, we have got a fridge, we have got these drawers below, we've got a sink, we have got 3 burners, and up here we will find even more storage potential. Up there we've got a very nice skylight, making it very bright inside. Okay, today it's a bit overcast. You can see you wouldn't need any lights on normally. The bed, the sleeping space, is over the drivers and passengers seats, and I think it's very well integrated into the vehicle, so it doesn't really look like a bed there. This is on a Fiat Ducato, as you can see. It's a manual gearbox. If I sit down in my favorite chair, we've got this large table here. We have got up there a television. The door is wide, comes with a window and a bin. And if I come round to the rear, you will see that it has got a large garage. And there you go, there's the garage. Bear in mind, 6 meter vehicle. This one here has got space for 2 bikes at the back. And so I've done that within the time I set myself. If you're interested to know more, there's a longer video link below. There's also a link to where you can actually buy it. I find this vehicle a rather attractive offer.